Now the next concept, area concept, perimeter. So about perimeter we discuss what is a perimeter. Perimeter means, so in a closed geometrical polygons, so all the lengths of the closed means if four sides are there, the length of the four sides, that is perimeter. If three sided polygon, the length of the three sides, that is the perimeter of that polygon. So in that way, so all the boundaries we have to measure and add all the boundaries, so that gives your perimeter. Okay, if three sides are there, then sum of the three sides, that is the perimeter. If four sided, sum of four sides, that is the perimeter. If five sides, sum of five sides, that is the perimeter. Perimeter concept is over, and also we completed what is the perimeter of a square and perimeter of a rectangle. So how to find perimeter of a square and perimeter of a rectangle using formula. This concept we did. Now area. Area definition already we discussed. What is area? So the area is total surface area covered, closed figure. So how much area it covered in closed figure? Suppose rectangular figure is there. So in that rectangular figure, closed geometrical polygon, so then how much area it covered inside? So that is the area. That is the area. So like this. So this is a rectangle, closed polygon. So then how much area it covered? Total surface area it covered. So this is the area. This is inside, it is the area. Okay. So then area is always measured in square units. Square units. Area is always measured in square units. So for square units, many, suppose paper. So what is the area of the white paper? So white paper, so we are measuring in centimeters. So small lengths we can measure in centimeters. So area of a paper, that is in centimeter square. Square units, square. This is called square. So if we take like this up at 2 centimeter, so like this is centimeter square, square units. Here the units are centimeter, so area is always measured in square units. So suppose room length is the room area, plot area. So then how to measure room area and plot area? So room area and plot area may be measured in meters. So that are in meters square. If units are meters, then square meters we have to take. If the distance between the two countries or distance between the two states or distance between the two cities, so the area, so then how much? So we calculated area of a particular country, area of particular city or particular place. So then particular city means the city is a very far distance, so that we measured in kilometers. So here the units are kilometers, so we take kilometer square. So whatever the units are there, so that square, the units we are getting in meters in the area. Whenever we are finding the area, the units, whatever the units may be, it is either it is centimeters or meters or kilometers. So square meters will get square meters or square centimeters or square kilometers. It means square units. Units means either it is a centimeter or it is a meter or it is a kilometer. So area is always in square units. Okay. Now if suppose if a square is there, 1 centimeter side is there, so then what is the area? So area is 1 into 1, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is 1 ones are 1 centimeter square. So this is area of this square. Okay. Area is always square in square units, in square units. Now for example, here some rectangles are given. So in this rectangle, then how to find area? How to find area? See here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. In the length we have 5 centimeters. In the breadth how many centimeters we have? 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So then total how many centimeter squares area is there? This means how many boxes there? Then how you will get your number of boxes? So multiply 4 5s are 4 5s are 20 centimeter square. Once you check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 boxes you are getting. So then how to find area? So first you calculate how many centimeters boxes were there. Here 5 boxes means 5 centimeters. Here So in the row, in the column, 4 boxes are there, 4 centimeters. In length wise we have 5 centimeters, in the breadth wise we have 4 centimeter. Then total how many boxes are there? 4 5s are 20. 20 boxes means we multiplied here. So then we are getting total number of boxes. It means if you multiply length and breadth, then you will get area, length into breadth. So area of a rectangle, formula length into breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle 2 into L plus B. Area of a rectangle L into B. Okay. Here also in this second example, so then how many centimeters are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 centimeters. Here how many boxes? 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes. 3 centimeters. Here 8 centimeters and here 3 centimeters. Total how many boxes are there? Just we multiply 8 into 8 centimeters into 3 centimeters. 8 3s are 24 centimeters square. Area no? Centimeter square. Once you check how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 boxes. So if we multiply length into breadth, then you will get total area. So that is why area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. That is in centimeter square or centimeter square meter square centimeter square kilometers. Whatever the units given in the question, it depends on your question. Okay. Here one more example is given. So in your textbook, that one more example once you check. Okay. So some length and breadth given. So just to multiply length and breadth, you will get your answer. Okay. Now in what problem? So in this, find the area of a rectangular plot whose length is given. Rectangular plot length is 36 meters and the breadth is 41 centimeters. Length is given and breadth is given. So this is a rectangular plot. This is our rectangular plot. Length is given. What is length? Length is equal to 36 meters and breadth is equal to 41 meters. Take breadth here. Breadth is equal to, or otherwise inside write, breadth is equal to 41 meters. This is complete breadth here to here. Okay, this is breadth. This is length. Length and breadth is given. So then how to find the area? So here, what is given? Plot length. Plot rectangular plot. Length. So what is rectangular plot length? 36 meters. Breadth is equal to 41 meters. Then area, length into breadth. What is the length here? 36 meters. And what is the breadth here? 41 meters. 36 meters into 41 meters. Now multiply 36 meters into 41 meters. 36 with 41. Then 6 3, 6 4 are 24, 2, 4 3 are 12, 13, 14. 6 7 4 1, 1 4 7 6. Just you multiply and write. Okay. So this multiplication 1 4 7 6. 1476 meters square. So this you do multiplication in your rough column. So you multiply 36 with 41, then you will get your answer 1476 meters. Okay. Now here the next example, find the area of a carpet measuring 9.6 centimeters by 4 meters. Here carpet is in rectangular shape. So length is given and breadth is given. So then we have to find area of the carpet. First, carpet length. Carpet length is equal to 9.6 meters. Breadth is equal to 4, not meters. So here meters, it is not centimeters, this is also meters. 4 meters, 9.6 meters and 4 meters. So now what we have to find? So we have to find area, carpet area. Carpet area. Carpet is in the shape of rectangle, area of a rectangle, length into breadth. What is the length here? 9.6 meters. And what is the breadth here? 4 meters. Okay. Now we have to multiply 9.6 with 4 first. 4 with 6, 4 6 are 24, 24 and 2 carry over on 9. Next 4 9s are 36, 37, 38. Then after one digit we keep a decimal. 38.4 meter square, square meters. Area is always in square units. Here the units are meters, so meter squares we have to take. Okay. Now the next one, area of a square. In square, so length and breadth means both are same, equal. Equal number of sides we have. Equal number of sides length same in square. So area of a square, length is same and breadth is same. So that is why we have to take side into side. Actually length into breadth, area of a rectangle formula. Length is same and breadth is same. So that is why in square we have to take side into side, side into side. Whatever the side length, that we have to multiply with the same, means side with the side. Then you will get area of a square, area of a square. Now in example, find the area of a square whose side is 8 centimeters. Square is given, square side is given. So this is our square. So this square side is given, that is 8 centimeters. If square side is 8 centimeters, then what is area? Square side is equal to 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. After that, square area. Square area is equal to side multiply with side. Side into side. What is your side? 8 centimeters. Again your side, that is 8 centimeters. 8 we have to multiply twice. 8 8s are 64. Here units are centimeters, so take centimeter square. Why? Area is in square units. Area is in square units. Units are centimeters, so centimeter squares we have to take. Okay. Now in the second example, find the area of a square field whose side is given. Side is 4.5. Square field side. Square field side. A is equal to 4.1 centimeters. Then square field area. Square field area is equal to, that is side with side. Side into side. What is the side here? 4.1 meters. 4.1 centimeters. 4.1 centimeters. This is not centimeters, I think this is in meters. So centimeters given, square field. Centimeters only given, take centimeters. 4.1 into 4.1 centimeters. Now you multiply 4.1 into 4.1 twice. 4.1 into 4.1. 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4. Then after that here 0. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 1 8 6 1. Here after one digit, here after one digit, means after two digits we have to keep decimal from right to left. That is 16.81 centimeters are our units. Centimeter square. This is our area of a square field. Okay. Now see, in exercise 2, find the area of rectangle with the following measurements. Some measurements are given, so with these measurements we have to find area of a rectangle. So in the first question, length is 8 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters given. Now we have to find area. Rectangle area. Rectangle area is equal to length into breadth. What is the length here? 8 centimeters. And what is the breadth here? 4 centimeters. So now multiply 8 4 za 32. Here units are centimeters, unit square, square units, that is centimeter square. Okay. Now, so in this length is 2.6 centimeters and breadth is 1.4 centimeters. Now, rectangle area we have to find. Rectangle area is equal to length into breadth. What is the length here? 2.6 centimeters, and what is the breadth here? 1.4 centimeters. So now we have to multiply, so 2.6 with 1.4. So in the rough column, so multiply 2.6 with 1.4. Okay, 4 6 are 24, 4 is 8, 9, 10. So then here 0, 1 6 are 6, 1 2 are 2, 4 6 3. After 2 digits we have to keep a decimal. 3.64. 3.64. Here centimeters are units, then centimeter square we have to write. Okay. Now here length is 6.5 and breadth is 4 centimeters given. So then rectangle area. Rectangle area is equal to length into breadth. What is the length here? 6.5 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. Now first you multiply 4 with 5. 4 5s are 20 and 2 carry over on 6. Now 4 6s are 24, 25, 26. After one digit keep a decimal, that is centimeter square. 26.0 means 26 centimeter square. So this is rectangle area. This is rectangle area. Whenever rectangle is given, just multiply length into breadth, you will get your answer, that is your area. Okay. Now here, so square is given, so we have to find square area. Square area, square side is given, square side is given. Here square side is 13 centimeters. Then square area is equal to side into side. Side is 13 centimeters into 13 centimeters. 13 13s are 169 centimeter square. Square centimeters. Area is in square units. Now here also side 4.8 given. Then square area formula side into side, that is 4.8 meters into 4.8 meters. Now you multiply 4.8 with 4.8. 4.8 into 4.8. 8 8 are 64, 6. 8 for 32, 38. Now here 0. 4 8s are 32. 32, 3. So 4 4 16, 19. 4 10, 1, 13, 1, 2. Means 23.04. After 2 digits we have to keep a decimal. So this is the area of square. Now here side is given, square area here. Square area, side into side, side into side. Side is 16.4 centimeters into 16.4 centimeters. Now we have to multiply 16.4 with 16.4. 16.4 into 16.4. 4 4 are 16. 4 6 are 32. 4 6 are 24. 25. 2. 4 1 4, 6. Then again with 6. Here 0. 6 4s are 24. 2. 6 6 are 36. 38. 3. 6 1s are 6. 9. Then after that here 0. 4 6 1. 6 9 18 16. After 2 digits 260. 268.96 centimeter square. So, this is the area of a square. Okay. Now, here find the area of a stamp of 3.3 centimeters length and breadth 1.6 centimeters breadth. We have to find area of the stamp. So, length, stamp length is given, stamp breadth is given. So, we have to find area. So, first steps, stamp length. What is stamp length? Stamp length, that is 3.3 centimeters. Stamp breadth, is equal to 1.6 centimeters. Now, stamp area is equal to length into breadth. What is the length here? 3.3 centimeters, and what is the breadth here? 1.6 centimeters. Then 16 3s are 48 and 4 here. 16 3s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Here after 1 digit, here after 1 digit. Total after 2 digits we have to keep a decimal. 1, 2 here. 5.28 centimeter square. So, this is the area of stamp. Okay. Now, the next question, find the area of a square pillow. So, that cover side is given, pillow side is given. So, that is 52 centimeters. Then what is pillow area? So, pillow cover side is equal to 52 centimeters. This is in square shape. Square pillow is given. Now, square pillow area is equal to side into side. This is in square, no? So, square formula we have to take, that is side into side, that is 52 into 52. Centimeter square we have to write. Now, 52 2s are 104, 4 here, 10 we have to take carry over on 5. 52 5s are 260, 260 10 270, 270. The total is 2004 centimeter square. Okay. So, this is the square pillow area. Okay. Now, after that, Bhavya bought a painting of a length 4.3 centimeters and breadth 2.6 centimeters. Find the area of the painting. Painting length is given and breadth is given. So, it is painting is in rectangular shape. So, painting length L is equal to 4.3 meters, then breadth is equal to 2.6 meters. Then painting area, length into breadth. What is the length? 4.3 meters. What is the breadth? 2.6 meters. Then, so we have to multiply. So, 26 3s are, so do one thing, 4.3 into 2.6. First you multiply 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 1 25, then here 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 8 11 1 11, 1118. After 2 digits we keep a decimal. This is in meter square. So, 1111.18 meter square after keeping decimal. Why after we are keeping after 2 digit we have to keep decimal? Because here from right to left, after 1 digit we have a decimal, after 1 digit we have a decimal. 1 plus 1 2. So, after 2 digits we keep a decimal from right to left.